Shane Dawson and James Charles.
Hi, I'm Pat. And welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to follow a Nikkie Tutorials tutorial and
hello guys!
And create the mask off look from my Twitter profile picture. If you don't know who Nikkie Tutorials is, she broke the internet this week, so make sure you find her on YouTube and smash that subscribe button. Legend and an icon. Iconic and legendary.
Woo! Today is gonna be a fun one.
The first thing in the tutorial is to outline the area that you're going to turn into a mask. So I'm just going to use this eyeliner pencil and I'm going to lightly draw down the middle here. And bring it around here. It should come maybe around here. And down like that. Okay, so that's the first step, all complete. Okay, so the next step is going to be primer. I'm going to use my Micah Beauty Makeup Perfecting Primer. Use code PAT for 30% off your order at micahbeauty.ca and micahbeauty.com. That's this one here. And I only need to prime this part of my face. So just try to stay within the lines. Okay, and moving right along, I'm going to do foundation next. So I'm going to use the Rimmel Lasting Finish Skin Perfecting Foundation. And I'm just going to use that on my beauty blender, just like in Nikkie Tutorials tutorial. And we're just going to focus on this part of the face. Try to keep that shape.
Alright, for concealer.
Okay, so after foundation is concealer, and I'm just going to use the Jeffree Star Magic Star Concealer. This is the shade C2. Underneath my eye. Really brighten the middle of the face. Next, I'm going to just set that with my Jeffree Star Magic Star setting powder. Big brush.
Okay, that part was easy. So now I feel like we should go all out. You know, this is the part where we want to make the mask look like a mask. So when you want to do really extreme brows, this is the time. If you want to do super like extreme, colorful, bright eyes, super like intense and dramatic, now is the time.
Okay, so next is eyebrows. So I'm just going to start with a brown pencil and define that.
Then brushing the hairs down and drawing a line on the top. Filling in the rest of the brow. And lastly, carving out with concealer. I'm loving life right now. We're zooming through this because I only have to do one side. Like, I'm cutting my makeup time in half today.
Okay, so I just primed my eyelid with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot. And then I'm going to move on to adding some bright, colorful eyeshadow.
Don't set. Don't set.
I'm going to start off with Canceled from the Mini Controversy palette. That's this blue color here. And I'm going to use a Micah Beauty blending brush, and I'm going to just start off with that color and work that onto the outer corner.
You definitely don't want to take it in towards the inner part of the crease because I'm saving that for different colors. And now you just want to take the brush and kind of start doing soft circular motions at the edge. And just like magic, just like magic.
And I'm gonna go over top of the edges of that with the James Charles Unleash Your Artist Morphe palette and the color Social Blade.
And right on that edge, I'm doing left and right motions, picking up more color to blend out even more.
Okay, next I'm going to use 518, which is this bright orange color, and I'm going to just do that on the inner crease.
Really stippling that color on. Ooh, we're colorful today. And then start doing those soft circular motions. So that comes out a lot more yellow than I anticipated, so I'm going in with a brighter orange. Yes. And in the center, we're doing the pink.
Pink, and I'm going to use the color Skip.
We're cutting the crease.
Now we're going to do a cut crease. So I'm just going to grab some concealer. I'm going to line under the cut crease using the same colors and a fine line. And next I'm going to do the lower lash line, and I'm just going to use some of the colors that I used on the top. So I think I'm going to start with the yellow, into the orange, and then that bright pink. Next, I'm going to just open up the eye a little bit using a white liner on the waterline. Okay, so next I'm going to put on some lashes, and I'm going to use the Flash Lash, which is magnetic lashes. And for this look, I actually stuck a pair of bigger lashes to the magnetic lashes. And the liner that I put on earlier is the magnetic liner. So I can just pop those on like this. And they just stick right onto the liner like that.
Okay, time for some lashes and some rhinestones, and then we can finally focus on finishing this mask.
Some rhinestones. Okay, so I've got some contour and blush going on. I'm just adding some highlight next, and then I'm going to clean up around the mask where I went outside the lines. And it's okay to go a little crazy on this one because it's supposed to be a really extravagant, over-the-top sort of look.
Work it in, and then I make sure that the blend is like I always have it, and then I'll just wipe away everything outside of the mask later on.
Okay, and from there we're going to start doing the shadowing with the outline. So I'm going to just take a stiff brush and I'm going to smudge that. So we've already got an outline with the eyeliner, so I can just take a smudging brush and smudge that a little bit. But to make it a little more three-dimensional, I'm going to take a black shadow and I'm just going to go along the line, the outline, and bring it down a little bit.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, this is making me so excited. So now we're gonna shade in the depth. And you can kind of already see it happening here, how a natural shadow is forming. You just want to intensify the shadow along the corner here and really create some depth here. Okay, I'm gonna start off by doing the outside. You're just gonna take a brush using a contour shade and placing the brush right up against that line. Flat, you want to create a shadow. Flat against the skin, up against that line of the mask, and create depth.
Okay, so I just added a healthy dose of highlighter and glitter This is the Silver Glitter from Micah Beauty. Use code PAT for 30% off your order. Where it was a little chunky.
Okay, 7 hours later, after shading all around the mask, you want to go in with a face powder and kind of control it because now it looks like dirt.
Okay, so now you can see the outline of the mask is done and the highlighter and the glitter is done all inside this mask area. Sound off in the comments down below. If you haven't already followed Nikkie Tutorials, and make sure you drop what you're doing, head over to Nikkie Tutorials on YouTube and check out all of her amazing videos. I think this turned out fantastic. It's so bright and colorful, and I really like the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell icon, and follow me on Twitter and Instagram. The links are down below. Alright, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye! Okay, so I'm going to start off with the color Canceled from the Shane Dawson and James Charles.
Shane Dawson and James Charles.